Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make weekly update in KONGSBERG ECDIS. So I will check from my message and my chat provider sent to WeChat to my WeChat account. So that's one for if we see it weekly update and AIO weekly update. So need to be my chat provider sent to ABCA weekly update and AIO weekly update with zip file. So need to be a thread. So need to be extra file, extra here. If we see a file and then also again AIO also a thread here. So now I already extract if we see it weekly update and AIO weekly update. These two files sent to my pen drive, and then AIO also sent to my pen drive. And then if you want to need that ABCA weekly update and AIO weekly update, if you want to need keep in your folder. So I also keep to my folder. This for active weekly, and then make the new folder name week 15. Week 50. And the AI also need to be kept. You don't want to need this. If we see a file and AIO file, if you don't want to need keep or it's okay, no need to keep, but I always keep to my weekly update and also permit file. Always keep this for my weekly update file. I keep this for permit file. So I already checked to my pen drive. So now already receive. If we see a product AIO, so now I go to my deck. My active type is KONGSBERG ECDIS. As for KONGSBERG ECDIS, and then now we need to go there, check, and then check type 63 main, and then go to install, and then check CD. Going to if we see a product, just time you go to EMC root, select, and then import S63 check a new 63 product list were found. The catalog, this catalog what you like to install, install, and then this have a say GV 200709 has been cancelled. Okay, ignore error. The update media is not compatible with accurate install face media. Please install the following face media fast and done. Continue with update media. If we see at 02, 03, 07 and 09, it ignore error. So starting to import them weekly update. Now 20 to 20 around nearly finished. Now it almost completed. So okay, and then other one also need to install AIO. Going to AIO and then EMC root, input S63. Also UKHOAO base 2025 0410 V50 25, input S63 and then install. Okay, a few minutes where we completed. Already complete. And then you want to check also check going to setting and then EMC update stated data report, check vessel name and then data report, EMC update reference date 10 April 2025 V50 25. Also I have already checked 148 up to date, 114 is to 148 and then can withdraw check me and no check me. So this for EMC update stated data report. And then also you can check log. It's also can check it up the inspector where we on board. We will show him EMC log and also EMC update stated data report. Now already install weekly update it. You are active synchronized with active 1 and active 2 data. You need to install only one active, but my vessel this active not synchronized with each other, so need to separate one by one. So I take active number 2 already install weekly update, so we're going to update other one weekly update. Also my active type is KONGSBERG active, just for active number 1. It's for KONGSBERG active. So first we go to check and then check type S63 and then install. Going to install. ABC app going to no need to go public because now we install. So that's time going to V1001H01 and then EMC root select and then input accessory recheck UKHO EMC update 2025-04-10 week 50-25. Input as 63 check. Now you would like to install and then just check it cancel. Okay, and then the scan not compatible with this if we see 02030709 is okay, ignore error and then now already install importing. If we see a now already completed. Okay, and then we're going to other AIO. EMC root and then import as substitute install. Okay, now already check install successful. Okay, and then going to select the EMC update status data report. Also we can see person name, IMO number, EMC update reference date, time April on the 25 week 50 148 118. Also can say and withdraw check name and then going to generate and log. Also can check in can check in just for show to the inspector on both day. We will show him. So now we already finished weekly update to KONGSBERG ECDIS. Weekly update already finished. Update 1 update to it. You had on board update 1 and 2 synchronize each other. No need to separate, only one update, and then we were free to weekly update finish, and then we were free to take our PC 133C. I'm ready EMC update maintenance record code. We need to take we need to free just one for EMC and maintenance record. I want to separate one by one. This for certificate for Ocean Point license user. I'm ready production service period 31st/03/2026. Yeah, just for license, and I'm going to EMC stated. EMC stated also this for sample that we need to feed after I'm with feed we 50 pay update media download or not, and then file name, and then active 1 and active 2, and then signature. This for master signature, and then 3 for AIO. AIO also still have the sample, so we follow this sample. And then after I will record V50 and also following like this. This for readme file. This time bring back it. We had some information, and then this time we need to print out and also put here, and then make a record following. Make a record on navigation officer and also later change like this. We need to following. This one for cancelling and withdrawing EMC. If we had any cancelling or withdrawing EMC, we need to record which one cancelling. This time we had the one cancelling check, so this time we need to record cancelling check, cancelling EMC. This one for auditor inspection guide. It's for audit familiarization and training, and for manage cyber risk management. So that's that. Every week we need to install, update, and also we need to record it 133C. So now I finish. We active one added to already install, and after I will record. Now finish. So today I showed you how to make active weekly update and also how to record MP133C. Thanks for watching to my channel. Please subscribe and